Today I am reviewing the KAMRUI AK1PLUS N95 mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's dive right in. First off, the heart of this mini PC is the Intel Alder Lake N95 processor. This is a 12th generation Intel chip with 4 cores and 4 threads, featuring a 6 MB cache and speeds up to 3.4 GHz. Compared to older models like the N5095, this N95 delivers roughly 30% better performance. That means whether you're multitasking with multiple apps, streaming videos, or even running business software, this PC handles it smoothly without lag. Speaking of multitasking, the 8GB DDR4 RAM paired with a 256GB M.2 SSD ensures fast and responsive computing. The RAM size is enough for daily tasks like browsing the web, editing documents, and running educational software without slowdown. Plus, the SSD significantly speeds up boot times and application launches compared to traditional hard drives. Now, if you need even more storage, the AK1 offers flexibility. You can upgrade the M.2 SSD up to 2 TB or add an additional 2.5-inch SSD or HDD with up to 2 TB capacity. This makes it easy to store large files, media libraries, or work projects without worrying about running out of space. Moving to graphics and display. This mini PC is equipped with Intel UHD graphics, which supports stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution up to 4096 by 2160 at 60 Hz. This means you can connect it to a large monitor, a projector, or even set up a dual monitor workspace thanks to the dual HDMI 2.0 ports. For anyone working with photos, videos, or even watching movies, the picture quality is crisp and vibrant. Connectivity options are also impressive. You get a balanced mix of ports, including 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for fast data transfer, 2 USB 2.0 ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. For wireless needs, the mini PC supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, ensuring you get reliable internet with minimal buffering. There's also Bluetooth support for connecting keyboards, mice, speakers, and other peripherals without any hassle. One of the things I really like about the KAMRUI AK1 is its size. Measuring just about 5 by 5 by 2 inches, it's incredibly compact and can fit anywhere, on your desk, mounted behind a monitor with the included Visa mount, or even carried in a bag for work trips. Despite its small size, the PC features a quiet, smart cooling fan that keeps temperatures down and noise minimal even under load. That's a big plus if you're sensitive to fan noise or need a distraction-free workspace. For business users, the BIOS is unlocked and supports useful features like auto power on, real-time clock wake up, and wake on LAN. These options make it easy to remotely manage the device or have it turn on automatically at scheduled times. Great for server use or automated office setups. Overall, the KAMRUI AK1 N95 mini PC strikes a fantastic balance between power, portability, and expandability. It's ideal for everyday home use, education, office productivity, and even light creative tasks. With the Windows OS pre-installed, you get a familiar, user-friendly experience right out of the box. If you're looking for a budget-friendly mini PC that doesn't compromise on performance or features, this is definitely one to consider in 2025. Thanks for watching this detailed review. If you want to learn more or grab one for yourself, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.